Welcome back to the channel. You remember this boy? Why is he so angry? Why are you so angry? Can I touch you? I'm not doing you nothing. Why are you so angry? Let me touch you, please. Let me touch you. Why are you so angry? Hmm? You need some love in your life. You need love. Let me touch you. Why are you so angry? Why are you so angry? Hmm? Why are you so angry? Stop. Damn. Stop. Why is he so angry? Damn. Let's go feed them. Guys, I'm just getting out of bed. I don't know why he's so angry. He's very angry. And he has gotten so big. Wow. That's a lot of anger. That's a lot of anger, man. You need anger management. You're too angry. You need to control that anger of yours, man. You're too angry. You're too angry, man. You're too angry. Damn. Stop. Move, kitty, move. Move from the bear before he poke you. Move from the bear before he poke you. Why are you so brave? Come over here. Come. Kitty, come. Why is she so brave? Stop. So the cat there. Watch it, watch it. Everybody just so angry. I don't know what's wrong with this. From my kitten coming to the picture, guys. Everybody just angry. Everybody just angry. How many days I haven't seen Sarah, guys? A whole lot of days. A lot of days I haven't seen Sarah. So everybody is eating. Sarah is not here. Don't know where she is. Oh, yeah, choke. Gosh. Not troubling you. Okay? Calm down. 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 You need some love in your life. You know that. When last you come here and get a head scratch? Hmm? When last you get a head scratch? When last you get a rub down? Hmm? When last you get this? Hmm? That's why you're so angry. You don't want no loving. Hmm? You're so angry. You need to calm down. You get so big. Stop. Alright, got a little rub from the angry cat. So angry. It's not even fire. Alright guys, this is where I come to a what's the word? Conclusion. Yeah, this is where I come to a conclusion of this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, guys. Subscribe to my angry cat. He's so angry. I don't know why he's so hanged. Well, maybe I do know. I do know. I mean, I think it's because of the kittens. Since the kittens has arrived, everybody is on this type of energy. Nobody likes this one. Everybody's fighting her. Who is not fighting her is staying away. Like Sarah, she don't come here. She don't come here. You guys must be wondering, where are the kittens? In the next video, I'll let you guys know. And I think I said that the next video is I'm gonna be showing you guys their gender and all. Now I haven't gotten to film that video, guys. I'm so sorry, but I'll get to it. But I'll see you in our next one. Peace. We out.